favorite game that I, along with my groupmates from Game Programming 3, have developed is Escape Kamuning. Ako actually yung lead programmer ng game. Escape Kamuning is a horror puzzle game set on Kamuning Road, in which you play as a citizen stuck in an endless loop as they try to go home. By solving multiple puzzles and escaping the roaming entity, the player will eventually break the loop and escape Kamuning. Gusto mo matry? Tara! Ito yung groupmates ko. Ayan. And let's start. So yung story dito is pauwi na dapat yung player. Kaso, yung nangyari. Actually, yung map na to is based on Kamuning Road talaga. And yung 3D model ng CIIT. Hi guys, I'm here. Alright, let's go home. And nakalimutan ni player yung umbrella. Bigla nawala ng lights. Nagbago yung environment. Where are they? I should go now too. Dito nyo na mapapansin na ka-stuck sa loop yung player. Bigla lang siyang babalik sa school. Someone is following me. Nga pala, may ganun. Am I in a loop? I should go home fast. Oh my god, dito nga pala siya. Pwede kayo magtago din sa downstairs. Okay. Pero sa part naman na to, may maze na. Parang nahihirapan sa part na to. So, i-base mo lang sa audio na ginagawa ng entity. May mga sewer din dito, in case hindi mo magtago. Ito yung code para sa puzzle na nandito. So yung goal naman here is to get all of the remaining body parts. Lang. Ayun, may paa. And ito yung second body part. Ay, mukhang wala siya dito. I'm finally out of the loop. Okay, so nandito na kayo sa carousel. And hindi na lang hanapin yung mawawalang wheels. Ito na yung last part ng game. Ito yung mga green na yan. Hindi lang sila kunan. Wala na siya. And kakabit na lang yung wheels. Ayan na. Ito na yung ending scene. Nakauwi na siya. Gusto niyo siya matry, nandun lang siya sa HIO page namin, which yung link can be found in the caption of this video.